Hello, Mr. McGrath here at Herbert Hoover Middle School. The intent of this video is to ensure that our parents, guardians, students, staff, and community members are aware that we will be changing the traffic pattern around Herbert Hoover Middle School beginning on Tuesday, March 22nd. Due to a variety of factors, traffic on the streets surrounding our school has increased, becoming a real problem for all who live, learn, and work in the area. Edison Township Public Schools and the Edison Police Department have been working together to implement a variety of changes that will help reduce traffic in the surrounding area. We are asking that parents, guardians, and staff utilize Barton Street, Hoover Avenue, Coolidge Avenue, and Wagner Street when coming to Herbert Hoover Middle School during our morning drop-off and afternoon pickup times. By accessing our school from the side streets, it will allow Jackson Avenue to be utilized as the primary exit for all vehicles during times of peak congestion. Please take a moment and review this graphic or view the PDF version attached to the email sent earlier. Again, these changes will begin on Tuesday, March 22nd. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me. Thank you for your time and your cooperation.